changed our lives?
Yes.
My name is Julius and I am 6 years old. Number 1, Zoom. People Zoom here, Zoom there, Zoom everywhere to online classes, to celebrating birthdays. People uses from meetings, online classes to celebrating birthdays. People uses Zoom. Do you all use Zoom?
Yes.
Yes. No, I sometimes use Google Meet.
Yeah, me too. Most of the time I do Google Meet. I use Zoom for number 1, online learning. Number 2, chatting with my relatives and friends. Do I like to use Zoom? Well, yes. Good points are number 1. Using Zoom makes us safe. We can learn and prevent ourselves from going out, especially during the lockdown. Number 2, we can learn lessons from other countries. Bad points are number 1, it may spoil our eyes if we have too much screen time. Number 2, lack of personal touch. Whether it is good or bad, this has become the new normal. So we'll need to use online platforms like Zoom. Number 2, Grab food. People use now online food delivery to deliver food to their homes. With less people going out, this has become our new normal. This has become a new normal. Do you all use services like GrabFood or Foodpanda? For my
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I GrabFood. For my family, we use GrabFood. We order food like chicken rice, nikudon, sushi, and many more. Food delivery app has also helped many people to have part-time and full-time income. This technology has changed how F&B works. My dear parents and friends, technology has changed how meetings are conducted, food are delivered, and the education landscape. What are your goals? Change to approach, adapt to technology, and